How could one man force an entire airplane at the airport to turn around? On August 22, 2025, the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
Copy. Can one of you grab the unattended, please?
Ready for drill on it.
Okay, so the flight returned because there's a passenger that's on the aircraft that was intoxicated. Apparently they weren't wearing their seatbelt and they kept throwing up. Flight attendant asked them why not wearing their seatbelt. Then they got in the flight chases either way for the flight to happen. She could give guys more information.
So real quick, are they cooperative enough where you guys can bring them off the aircraft, or do we need to deplane the aircraft?
Well, she said that she doesn't want to get them off until you guys get here.
Okay, so if you guys want to bring him off, that's fine. If not, we need to deboard.
Okay, so you just speak with them and then see exactly.
Okay.
Are y'all able to escort them off, or if you willing to come off, or?
And he's physically coming towards them and giving them a hard time, kind of falling over, so it's probably best if we deboard.
Yeah, we need to deplane. Yeah. We're not going to go in there and get in with people on board the aircraft. Okay.
49, we're going to be deboard on the airplane.
Hey, quick question. Are we getting everybody on? Or just him?
Try again. You have background.
So if we can get everybody off and just leave him on there, we can go in there and deal with him. Or if he walks out with everybody, we can get him right then. It doesn't matter. Either way,
Or can we just get him off? Yeah, that's
we just need somebody to point him out to us whenever he does.
Or can we try and see if we could just get him off?
Yeah. If you guys could get him off,
yeah,
that's fine.
Yeah, let's get him off. Yeah. We'll get him off.
755. Do you have two intoxicants out there, or just the one you guys were assigned to?
So that puts the ball in their hands, right? I mean, we're not going to go in there and like drag somebody out of the aircraft with those people. Yeah.
49, you can disregard it. The intoxicated passenger came off the plane. We won't move forward.
They almost do with airport police. One of them over here.
He has a bag.
Okay.
Identify his bag.
You need to
Are you also making
Identify his bag. Can you just ask him how does his bag look? So I can grab his bag really quickly.
Hey, my man. Hey, hold up just a second. Hey, what bag is where was your bag at? Where you were sitting?
Up top.
It was up top. What's it look like?
Give me 2 seconds.
Is it a backpack?
Yeah.
What color is it?
If you hadn't already, go ahead and print these purple calls for a time.
Black and red.
Black and red backpack?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I got you. That's why I was clarifying. There were two balls.
I know her.
This is their stuff.
Okay. Hey, my man.
Yeah.
Is this your stuff
yes,
here?
This is all my stuff.
Okay.
This is all my stuff. Promise.
You remember what restaurant served you?
Yeah.
What restaurant?
Give me 2 seconds.
755. Go back to channel 2.
What are you looking for? Just trying to get home. Where's home for you? Down here? Down the jet bridge? Okay, well, what's down there?
It's my home.
Is your home?
Yes.
Okay.
I would not be doing this with you.
Are you want to grab this
Yeah.
bag? Or?
I'm gonna.
Okay.
I'll grab the bag if y'all are fucking tripping.
Alright, well, let's walk down here.
If y'all are fucked up, let's go. Let's walk.
Yeah.
I don't need you children acting like this.
Lee.
I'm fucking going home.
Lee.
Good night. Okay. I'm going home. Good night.
Do me a favor. No, I know. And that's what I want you to do.
Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Put your hands behind your back for me.
Let's do it.
All right. So you're gonna be arrested right now for
What for what?
For
No.
public.
No. Hey, by law, I've not touched him. I've not touched any of these guys. Hey, I've not touched them. I've not touched them. Hey, this is bullshit. By law, this is bullshit. I did not touch you. I did not fucking touch you, dude. Dude, tase me, then. Relax. Tase me, then, bro. I did not do this. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Relax.
What the fuck?
Relax.
What the fuck?
Relax.
I can't.
I don't think he's like one to tank. Channel 1 still closed.
What the fuck?
Just relax.
I'm trying to, dude. You're fucking.
All right. Are you gonna relax?
Dude, I'm trying to.
All right. Don't move. Then don't move.
You're breaking my goddamn fucking wrist, dude. What the fuck?
Relax. Stop.
I'm not. Ah! 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 He's breaking my arm. He's breaking my arm.
I'm not even touching you.
Yes, you are.
Relax.
Dude, I can't relax with you on me. What the fuck? Get off of me. Get off. Get off. Ah! God damn it. Somebody fucking God damn it. What the fuck? Y'all are fucking against. This is against law. This is 100% against law. This is 100% against law. I'm gonna fucking sue the fuck out of you.
49
Dude, I'm gonna sue the fuck
Channel 1
out of
still
you. I'm gonna sue the fuck. I'm not doing anything, bro. My freaking hip blood. What the fuck? Please get off of me. For 5 weeks. This is bullshit.
It's going to be reopened. 749
Dude, I
special is going to be
literally
in
just come
handcuffs.
up in this shit. Y'all are fucked. I promise you, you guys are so fucked.
Hey, quit kicking!
Will you step in? I'm in. Stop fucking doing this. What the fuck are y'all doing? I'm gonna sue the fuck out of y'all. Y'all are so fucked.
I'm going to put you with 49.
I promise you. Y'all are so fucked. Y'all are so fucked. Hey, can somebody help me?
If it's possible, roll him to one side or the other.
Please roll me, bro.
roll you.
I'm trying to help you. I'm not trying to restrain, bro. Please.
We'll wait.
Please help me. Dude, they're literally pushing me down, dude. What the fuck?
How's his breathing?
Like, bro, let me breathe, dog. Like, I'm gonna be helpful to you if you just let me breathe. That's it. That's it. Y'all are fucking pushing on me like a motherfucker, dude.
Hell.
Like, come on, bro. You know this too, dog.
I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
If you're moving,
I can't move. I cannot move.
Hell, see, you might have to pick him up from the backside.
Do not break me.
Hey, we're gonna set you up, okay?
Stand up.
Stand you up. Stand up. Stand up. We're gonna sit you in the chair.
Watch your heads. Watch your heads. Watch your face.
Hey, my back, the back of my arm, the back of my arm. No, the back of my arm, they're broken. No, my arms. Ah! Oh, my arms. Why is it hurt? No, it hurt. Ah! Why does it hurt? You're pushing on me. Sit down. I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to. Sit down. I'm sitting down.
Okay,
Take my
stay
arms. Take my 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 arms. Take it hurts. It hurts. Ow. It hurts, dude. It fucking hurts. It fucking hurts. I would not be doing this to you. What the fuck, bro? It hurts. It fucking hurts. I would not be doing this to you. What the fuck, bro? What the Fuck, dude!
Don't fight the police, bro.
No, bro, I'm not fighting y'all, dude.
That's not what it looks
This is
like.
my spot. Bro, you know this, dog. Come on, bro. I'm sitting right next to you, dude.
I put you there.
You did?
You good, bro?
Sure did.
So you sat me down right here?
Yeah, man.
I fucked up?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Can we stop right here?
No, we're good. No, that's okay, man. We can cross that when we get there.
My wife's not gonna pick me up. What do you mean?
No, you're good, bro.
What do you mean pick me up, bro? Ain't nobody picking me the fuck up over here, dog. I'm fucking stuck. I can't move.
Just have them face together. Put them in. Yeah, right there.
I'm okay, right?
What's up?
I'm okay, right?
Yeah, you good now?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, brother.
Yeah, no worries.
No. Thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
No. Thank you. That's all. Don't tell me I did this. No way I did this. No way I did this. No way I did this. Come on. Hey, bro. Hey. Hey. There's no way, bro.
Okay, we're gonna stand you up and you're gonna get in the car, okay?
I can't move. I can't move these legs.
Yeah, we're gonna
I can't
get
move these legs. So you gotta help me. I can't. Right here, help me stand up. I can't move these.
Hold on,
I
real quick.
cannot.
Hey, quit moving. Hold
Yeah.
on.
Yep.
We're gonna get the stuff out your pockets.
I know. That's why I'm telling y'all I can't move.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good, brother. I cannot move. Do what you gotta do. Yep. It's gonna have to happen. Man. I understand. Hey, my arm. Hey, hold on. Hey, my arms are stuck. They're stuck. They are stuck. Please help me. Please help me down.
Get your finger out of there.
Yeah, that's what I want. Bro.
Jackson.
What's up?
Hey, Jackson.
Yeah.
Jackson. Jackson.
What's up?
Brother.
Huh?
Jackson?
I'm Jackson. Yeah,
You
what's up?
Jackson? Hey, I told him what's up. I was like, hey, please do not remove me from the situation. But I know you need to get me out of the situation, but please, I do not mean to be where I'm at. I want to help you.
Okay.
I know I'm fucked up.
What did you drink?
A little bit of vodka, brother.
Vodka? You take
Yeah.
anything?
No.
You take nothing.
I'm straight up from, alright, you know where I'm from? No. New Mexico.
Mexico? Okay.
Man, God shows up.
Good luck, brother.
Hey.
Hey, appreciate it, dog.
I'm trying to hit you
Hey,
up.
get better, man, all
I'm
right?
trying to, brother.
You got it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm fucking a wiggly
Go ahead
worm.
and get you up. Get you in the car.
Oh, wait. Oh.
Oh, shit.
And then I got over to the other. I took half of it. I'm like,
Let me get my jacket on. My arm is stuck. Let me just. I need to get this.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.